Hi, I'm Shelley Solberg. I'm the creator of Let's Play Music, and I hope you enjoy what you just saw in the sample class. What I really hope that you take away from this is that you see how a research-based program can really utilize all of the philosophies to teach your children exactly the way they should learn music. The research that we have put into Let's Play Music with using the full body to learn and using lyrics that teach music and having experience precede the learning. All of these things that you've seen today really are those fundamental philosophies that help children to internalize music concepts. So they come out of Let's Play Music not just knowing what music is, but actually feeling it in their bones. They really do know what melody is. They really can keep steady rhythm. They can sing in harmony. And all of these elements of music are combined to make your child a complete musician. Besides the fact that they're great musicians when they come out of the program, is the aptitude for mental capacity that music study produces. There are piles of research that show how when a child studies music, their aptitude for learning math, knowing how to read, and their overall capacity to learn is broadened, enlarged, and they really do come out a more intelligent human being with more capacity to learn. So there's so many side benefits to being in Let's Play Music. Another thing that we really focus on in Let's Play Music is the bonding parent-to-child element. There are a lot of programs out there that are parentless. You can send your child out to any number of music programs, but again, research has proven that a child will learn when they are loved and when there's a parent involved closely in that process. So throughout Let's Play Music, you will see that purposeful bonding parent-to-child so that the child feels nurtured and loved and supported by that parent role. In class, we'll really emphasize bonding parent-to-child. At home, you will emphasize this parent-to-child bonding. And you will see how this will encourage your child to grow in so many ways. So, as you think about Let's Play Music and as you go over what you've seen today, I hope you'll remember that we are research-based, that the philosophies of these educators have been all put together in one place. Your child will learn, your child will love it, and you'll be so glad that you discovered Let's Play Music.